Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone, this is Aram Tadepalli. Welcome to my channel Tech and Life. In this video, I am going to explain about 5 things you need to know before starting your career in data science and starting your learning path in data science. Let's get started. First one is maths. You need to be strong with your high school maths like probability and statistics because every prediction model deals with some probability estimation. Second is coding skills. You need to be very strong with the different programming languages. You need to select programming language based on the problem statement. Third thing is data mining. Knowledge on everything related to data mining, data cleaning, data extraction, pre-processing is very important to become a data scientist. You need to understand association rules, clustering mechanisms, etc. Fourth one is machine learning and deep learning. You need to work on both the things as they have separate specifications. Both work on different requirements. Fifth one is data visualization and big data. You need to have basic knowledge on these things while designing any prediction model. Let's get into details of each and everything. Related to maths, you need to have knowledge on probability and statistics. While designing any prediction, we will estimate probability of successful analysis of the model. In the same way, we perform statistical analysis on datasets. Next one is distance factors. While designing clustering, you will use distance factors. Next thing is distribution functions like a binomial distribution, normalization functions, etc. You need to understand every single thing related to maths. Coding skills like Python, R, SAS is must. You need to get knowledge on which programming language is useful for which kind of problem statement. I mean to say that ease of implementation. You need to know about IDLEs and programming platforms like Anaconda's distribution, which consists of inbuilt IPython consoles like Jupyter Notebook and Spider with RStudio for R programming language. While dealing with the next three, I won't get into deep because I'm going to make individual series of videos on data mining, machine learning, deep learning, data visualization and big data. You need to do with just learning few basics like definitions of keywords like prediction, data mining, machine learning definition, data mining definition, deep learning definition, like that. I hope you like this video. Please like and share the video, subscribe to my channel Tech and Life, and next series is on Tableau with a live demonstration using some data set, and stay tuned to Tech and Life, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.